may mga kapwa Star Magic artists tayo na dumaan din para sa ating year-end special. Thank you very much for being with us. Okay, pwede na ba natin silang imbitahan dito? Please welcome two of the most sought-after leading men right now that we have in Philippine entertainment. Please welcome River Joseph and Katie Estrada. Hello, hello. Hello. Sige,
Kumusta po kayong lahat?
upo kayo and
Hello.
greet everyone, guys. Thank you sa pagdaan.
Yes.
Wala. Hello to everyone watching right now. Sana nakakain na kayo and I hope you guys are having a good day. And yeah, let's enjoy today.
Yes, hello mga kapamilya. Everyone watching, mag-iingat kayo lagi. And yeah, hope you're all having a good day.
Well, our day just got better because napadaan kayo. Thank you, guys. So, pwede bang kwentuhan nyo kami anong pinagkakaabalahan nyo lately?
Ako, actually, we're busy taping our new serye ngayon, yung Secrets of Hotel 88. So we've been having our cycles sa Puerto Galera, doon kami nag-shoot. And ayun, so busy with that. And this December, we'll be busy also with promotion for Call Me Mother for MMFF. So yun lang naman.
Congratulations on Call Me Mother. Okay, how about you, Katie?
Ako, I'm working on Bagets the Musical. Rehearsing every single day.
Oo nga, but this is not your first foray into theater,
No,
right?
it's not.
Oo.
Yes, I've done theater din with Alexa noong 2023, Walang Aray. Same, it's with PETA also.
Ang galing niya doon. I watched.
Yeah, thank you,
Walang
thank you,
Aray.
man.
Super.
Thank you.
Oh, nice. I love the camaraderie here. Talagang supportive
Yeah.
lang lahat. Okay.
I've known River since like 2020.
Oh, when
Yeah.
I entered
Yeah.
showbiz, KD was one of my first showbiz friends.
Saan kayo nagkita? Paano kayo nag-meet?
Ano?
We got close nung sa Toscoin.
Toscoin,
We
yes.
went to Hong Kong together. We
Yes.
shot their
We
short
shot a
film.
short
yes.
film together. Nandun kami, directed by Direk Cathy with Alexa din.
Yes.
Oh, okay. So 2020 pa pala. Kasi syempre akala natin dahil after PBB and
No.
everything. But no,
No, no,
okay.
no.
So you guys go way back.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
right now,
Actually, nung baby pa kami. mga 2 months
fetus
old.
pa lang
Oo.
po sila. Magkakilala na sila. Yes. Okay, sige. Isa-isahin natin yung mga projects na sinabi nyo kanina. Okay, let's start with Call Me Mother.
Yes.
Yes. How was your experience there? Anong pwede mo sa aming ikwento?
Actually, sa Call Me Mother, first time ko mag-movie ng ganun. And syempre, it's an honor to work under Star Cinema and being directed by Direk June Lana. But then, different experience from serye and film. Grabe. Pati yung setup ng camera, everything revolves, it really moves around yung camera. Nagti-360 talaga. And syempre, being able to work with Nadine and Meme Vice, it's an honor. And so ako, I'm really happy and super honored to be part of this project talaga.
So, Call Me Mother, it's comedy, drama. We're sure because Vice is there and everyone's there, sobrang funny, sobrang light, sobrang saya siguro nung set. Can you describe it to us? Like, kumusta yung experience mo dun sa set with all those big names?
Nasa starstruck pa rin ako every time may eksena kami. Parang I can't believe na grabe, pinapanood ko lang sila dati sa TV and ngayon up close right in front of me, we're doing a scene together. So I always minsan during the middle of the scene I forget and I forget na we're doing a scene pala. Pero ayun, nasa starstruck talaga ako sa kanila and ang galing nila and I'm learning also a lot from them.
Well, congratulations on
Thank
this
you.
big
Congrats,
break,
man.
River.
Thank you.
How about you, KD naman? Let's go to Baguettes, the
Yes.
musical. Okay, so can you tell us about yung first time mong malaman na, oh, I'm gonna be part of another musical?
Yeah, actually, ito yung first role na nakuha ko through audition. Like, ito talaga yung natanggap ko na I can really say na I really worked hard for this. Kasi nung audition day, I had barely had any sleep. And then we had to do like a couple of dances. And then we had to sing also. We had to act. And then we had to do that paulit-ulit for the whole day, from morning to like evening. And then the next week, I got an email. KD, congratulations, you got the role of Arnel. It's like, it's sobrang surreal talaga. and that I'm doing a musical remake of an iconic movie. And I'm doing also a character that I really wanted to get. Kasi yung role ni Raymond Lauchenko dito, parang si River eh. Konyo na rich kid.
Yung rich
Ako
kid.
yung peg mo?
Dinescribe.
Ikaw yung peg ko dyan.
Kaya ka pala niya kino-close ngayon. Nag-research pala siya, River. Okay.
Congrats on
Thanks, man.
Bagets.
Thank you, man. Congrats din.
Did you have to watch the original for you to portray it?
Yeah, not to copy, but to get an idea and to get yung kung saan siya nanggagaling as a person. Pero I don't really like copy him at all
Yeah.
kasi we have our own takes on what the character is.
Yes. And as remakes go, it's really to introduce it to the newer
Yes, to the
audience,
newer
diba?
audience.
So, baka may mga new audience tayo na hindi alam kung ano yung Bagets.
Yes.
So, can you tell us about it and ano yung role mo dun?
So yeah, Bagets the Musical is a story about 5 young high schoolers and they're just going through life, going through yung mga problems nila sa relationships nila and yeah, through high school lang. So it's like a really fun, easy to watch movie. Pero may lalim din siya eh. May lalim din siya. And yung character ko dito ay originally played by Raymond Lauchenko. His name is Arnel. Yeah.
Oh, anong role ni Arnel?
Arnel is the
Character.
rich he's like the richest among the yung grupo nila and parang siya yung sponsor. Yeah. Siya yung sponsor. So he owns the car that they use. Siya yung nag-sponsor ng pagpatuloy ng kaibigan nila. Ganyan.
Okay. So, yung original film ay hindi po musical, di ba?
Yes, it's not a musical. It's
Pero ito ginawa.
yeah, this one they made it a musical and their songs are all from that era, 80s songs.
Wow. Okay. So, magandang trip down memory lane
Yes,
yan.
super.
Okay. Now, let's go back to Call Me Mother naman. Can you tell us about your role here, River?
So, actually, I think-
Secret ba?
Secret pa.
Secret
ate.
pa!
So, ayun, panoorin nyo na lang po
Yes,
para
sir.
malaman nyo kung sino yung character ko doon.
Sige. Kapag secret, usually, nagbibigay na lang ng hint para may konti namang makuha yung ating friends from the media. Okay. So, is it close to your personality or did you have to really channel a different person for this?
I think medyo close to my personality. So I played the role of, his name is Anton. But then basta very very good. He's a good person. So very supportive siya. So yun lang.
Good person, supportive. Medyo parang ikaw nga.
It's you,
Oo.
bro. It's just you.
Okay, thank you. This is for the both of you naman, this question. If you could go back to the start of this year, kasi nga nandito na tayo sa December, year-end special. Let's go back to the start of the year. Is there anything that you would have done or approached differently?
Interesting question. Siguro for me it would be my fitness. Kasi honestly this year I kind of fell off and I haven't been super consistent because I've been juggling school also din and I've been juggling work.
congrats!
Thank you. But yeah, I really wish I dialed in more on my fitness. Pero I think ngayon kahit hindi kasi usually you would do it next year. Reset na lang ako next year resolution. Pero I put myself on the mindset na hindi, I shouldn't make it a resolution. Dapat yung fitness everyday yan.
Yes. Wait, let's go back to your studies. Where are you now at your studies?
I'm in Enderun. I'm an MMA student.
MMA.
Not mixed martial arts. Multimedia arts. Multimedia arts student.
Multimedia
Yes.
arts and run. And how many years pa? Before
2 more
you
years.
graduate?
2 more years.
Two na lang.
Lapit na,
Lapit na yan.
Okay. How about you, River? What would you have done or approached differently sa 2025?
If I were to do anything differently this 2025, siguro nothing. Parang no
No
regrets.
regrets.
No regrets. I mean, everything, ang daming blessings this year, so super grateful. But then, siguro same rin kay KD. Siguro, I wish I worked on my fitness more and for next year na lang. For 2026.
2026.
Oo.
Sige, pag-usapan na natin yan. Ano yung mga New Year's resolutions ninyo? Anong minamanifest nyo for 2026?
2026, for me, I really wish to go back after Bagets sana, teleserye or a serye. Like, I really miss working with cameras.
Oh, okay. Oh, kasi nga sa theater, walang camera.
walang camera.
Bawal.
Bawal ang
doon.
camera. It's discouraged.
Bawal. Oo. How about you, River?
Ako, this 2026, I really want to improve on acting, working on the craft, just trying to learn as much and really improve talaga.
Okay. So, again, let's focus on the manifestations for 2026 or even the years after that. Sino yung minamanifest nyo makatrabaho nyo pa? Na hindi nyo pa nakakatrabaho?
Hindi pa. Um, Madami. Madami. But I would say right now, si Ate Kim. Ate Kim Chu and Kuya Paulo.
Oh, Kim
Yes.
Pao.
Kim Pao, yes.
Why?
I don't kasi when I was younger, like, pinapanood ko si Kuya Paulo. And like, grabe, idol ko talaga siya. Like, ang galing na talaga umarte. And for me, I kind of relate with him kasi I see na introverted din siya. And like, I relate with that. Ganun ako.
Yes, okay. And how about you, River?
Siguro gusto kong makatrabaho si Coco and sina Christopher De Leon. Siguro that would be
Pasok na
nice.
to
I
sa
want
Batang
to,
Quiapo.
that would be an experience
Kung
rin.
Coco, action, bale.
Oo, action, yes.
Gusto mo mag-action?
Oo, yes. Gusto ko talaga mag-action.
Oh, okay. Like, sige, mag-isip ka ng role. Kaano-ano mo si Coco Martin? Ano ka ba?
Ka-love team. Mali.
Gangster ka ba? Siya ba yung police? Anong gusto mo? Kuya mo ba siya?
Actually, any role, kahit whatever role that is, I'd gladly accept. Kasi syempre, Batang Quiapo yun. Tapos,
Oo.
syempre, Coco. And, ayun. So, any role naman, I
And
would be
Sir
okay.
Christopher De Leon, what do you want to, anong gusto mong role mo nakasama siya?
Christopher De Leon, pwede anak or something. Or something,
Anak ka ni
like,
Christopher
or...
De Leon.
Yes,
Oh,
oo.
pwede. And I forgot to ask you, KD, ikaw naman, anong gusto mong role na kasama ang Kim Pao? Ikaw ba yung third party?
No.
Ikaw yung
I don't wanna
ka-love
do that.
triangle?
Ako lang yung, siguro either kapatid ni Kuya Paulo or kapatid ni Ate Kim. It can go either way.
Oh, kapatid. Okay.
Kapatid.
Well, we're so excited for you guys sa future nyo pa. But before you guys leave, please remind everyone where to catch you and invite everyone to watch. Go ahead.
Watch like
Yes, your future
Oh,
projects.
yeah.
Go
So,
ahead.
guys, you can book tickets for Bagets the Musical running this 2026 from January to March at ticketro.ph. I play the role of Arnel. We open on January 23. See you there.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Ikaw, River.
And I'm inviting everyone to watch Call Me Mother, this MMFF. Sana mas-support nyo po yun. And hopefully you guys can watch in the cinemas. And ayun lang po.
Thank you very much, River Joseph and
Thank
KD
you.
Estrada, for dropping by Star Magic Spotlight PressCon. Thank you. You made this year-ender even more special.
Thank you.
Maraming salamat.
Thank you.
And of course, sa lahat din, by the way, gusto niyo bang mag-greet ng Happy Holidays? Kasi nga December na.
Oh yeah, of course.
Oo.
So mga kapamilya, happy holidays. Mag-ingat kayo lagi dyan. Wishing you all a Merry Christmas. And yes, from Star Magic, Merry Christmas. We love you.
Ayan, mga kapamilya, I'm wishing you all a Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. Hopefully, you get to spend time with your family and really bond together and stay safe all the time.
Stay safe, guys, sa mga papatok, ha? Huwag kayo masyado maghahawak ng mga fireworks dyan. But we really hope that you guys have a great year ahead, 2026. It has been a very fruitful 2025 dito sa Star Magic Spotlight PressCon. And of course, sa buong Star Magic family, palakpakan naman natin ang Star Magic. Grabe ang 2025 ng Star Magic. Yung MMFF lineup nga, parang grabe. Sobrang daming Star Magic artists this year. And what an incredible ride. We are so grateful to each and every one of you na every month kasama namin dito sa Star Magic Spotlight PressCon, sa lahat ng mga fans na nakatutok, pati sa ating friends from the media. Maraming salamat.
Thank you.
Every month nakasuporta po kayo sa amin. Thank you very much. And also, we promise to give more exciting kwentuhans and kita-kits po tayo next year. Once again, I'm Aida La Cruz. Happy holidays, kapamilya! Thank you!